All right, we're going to go over how to use the funnel that I've built, how to add products to it so you can take payments, how to embed forms and calendars. This is what's in your snapshot that you've received. And we need to go ahead and edit some of these things so that it actually looks like yours. But before we get into the software, I want to show you how everything works together. So that way you understand what's going on rather than just being like, oh my God, like what's this guy talking about? Okay, so let's go to the whiteboard. Here we go. All right, so the first thing that you need to know is a funnel, right? So a funnel is basically a web page, and they can't choose where they go next, right? We decide where they go, and that way we can keep it really focused and really on target, okay? So we've got a funnel. All right, and the first thing that happens when they come into this funnel is that they're going to be asked, do they want group or individual training? Okay. And then depending on what they pick, they're going to be either sent to the second or the third page. Second page will be group. If they choose group, they go to the group page. If they choose individual, they go to the individual page. And they're going to fill out a form. You know, what position do their kids play? What are their strengths and weaknesses? You can change this form to be whatever you want, okay? And then once they've filled that out, they will go to the payment page. And on this payment page, they're going to have this. There's a group payment page where it explains this 3, 6, and 12-month prices and options. And there's an individual training payment page, same thing, 3, 6, and 12 options. And then no matter what they pick here, they're just going to go to the thank you page, okay? And this thank you page is going to say, check your email. Because what we're going to do is we're going to set up an automation. Okay? And in that automation, it's going to say when somebody pays, so when they pay for, we're going to call this group 3 months. Then what we're going to do next is we're going to ask in this, I say, okay, do you want field A or field B? For you, you're going to put whatever places that you train. If you only train one place, it makes it easier. But oftentimes you're in 2 sets of fields, right? Maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're at field location A. Tuesday, you're at field B, right? And so they put what field they prefer here in this form, and that's now attached to their contact, right? So the first thing we're going to say is if they chose field A, go down this line, and if they chose field B, go down this line. And then there's going to be an email with a calendar for field A calendar for group 3-month training. And then for field B, they'll get an email with a calendar that has your calendar that's for group field B training, right? So they'll only be able to book, in this example, Tuesdays and Thursdays with field B, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at A, okay? And so they're going to get different calendars linked in that email. And then after that, it's all the same, right? They're going to get some follow-up stuff. And in 30 days later, they're going to automatically be asked for a review, right? And that's going to be the exact same on both sides. It's not going to matter. Alrighty. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to put together this form. So it's already built. I'm going to show you where it is so you can go back and edit it if you want. And so the form is in the form builder. Okay. You can't build or edit forms in the funnels. Same thing with the calendar, right? Although this calendar is going to be sent via email, we can't make the calendar in the email builder. So we're going to have the calendar builder. And then the last thing is because we're building emails, again, we can't build emails in the automation section. So we're going to go to the email section and we're going to build these emails. Okay. All this stuff is pre-built in your snapshot. All you have to do is follow the video. And when I say, change the generic logo to your logo, you're just going to go and upload your logo. Change the field location from saying field A to like where you actually practice. And if it's basketball, it's court A. So it's all going to be super simple. It's all separated. So as long as you know, hey, I need to build a form for this, you go to the form builder, you embed it wherever you want to embed it. You want to automatically send an email. Okay, you build the email in the email section, and then you go to the automations and you select the email that you want to automatically send. Same thing with calendars. All right. So now that you've seen kind of how it works theoretically, let's switch over to the software and I'll show you exactly how it works.